This video will be an overview of how to use the Scanner application. From the home screen, scroll to and select the Scanner application. Select either Scan to email address or drop the menu down and select Folder. Select the appropriate destination from the address book or manually enter the address. Select settings as needed, such as black and white, color, file type, resolution, single-sided or double-sided originals, scan size, file name, density, original orientation, sender, security, batch and/or SADF, divide, and reception notice. Select Start.